1.2. If one angle of triangle is 90 degree, find the other two angles if these angles are 30% and 70% of 90 degree respectively. Solution: there is one triangle, angle is 30%, the other angle is 70%. So 30% of 90 degree, solve it like this way, 30%. So write 30% above and down, you have to remove percentage sign and give put 100 below, and now you may solve it, cancel the 0 from both sides. So the value will be 9 into 3, 27. Similarly, 70%, you may solve with this, 90 into 70%. So now remove percentage sign and put 100 below. Now cancel 0 from both sides. Now 9 into 7, 63. Other two angles are 63 and 70 degree respectively. Area of a square is 100 square centimeter. Find the area of a rectangle whose area is 10% more than the area of a given square. Solution: area of a square is 100 square. The area of rectangle is, you have to find it. As given, area of a rectangle is 10% more than the area of a square, means 100 into 10 percentage. So now you may find the value of 10% from 100 in this way, as we did it before. Cancel both zeros from both sides. Now the value you will find is 10. So now 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. The area of rectangle is 110 square centimeter. This is your answer. In a shop, there is a double discount of 10% and 20% on an article having price of 100. Calculate the total discount. Solution: first discount is 10%. Discount value will be of 10%. How you may find? Like this way. You have to find the discount value. So find the discount value to move percentage sound. The discount value is 10. Second discount is 20%. Discount value will be 100 into 20%. Now you will find the discount value similarly as did it be before. So discount value is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So the discount value is 30 rupees.